what's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Holochain, guys. Hot. It's been a long time since I've gone over Holochain. There's a bullish pattern that's just breaking out. So we're sitting at a market cap of 2.04 billion, currently sitting at 0.011. We're sitting at 24-hour volume of 286 million. Guys, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app and grab one of their incredible Visa cards. Let's quickly open this up. My internet has been ultra slow today, which has been really annoying. Grab one of their incredible Visa cards, free Netflix, Spotify, Amazon Prime, and travel incentives, and $25 just for signing up through my referral. All right, guys. So we're going to jump into Holochain on the 4-hour. So we're seeing reversal patterns all over the market, and they're breaking out. Holochain has just started to break out of this double bottom pattern. All right, guys, and your price target is up here at 0.013. So we may see a little bit of a back test of support, but if we continue pumping here, that's a juicy trade of 15%. If you'd like to learn to trade with leverage, check out my full length tutorial. Make sure to sign up to Bybit to receive up to $1,600 in bonuses. My favorite platform for leverage trading. Been making some absolutely juicy profits off this little pump here. All right, guys, so keep an eye on this pattern. We are back above the EMAs. We are trending into overbought, but as you can see on the 4-hour, we can pump much higher here. So I'm going to pop over to the daily just to show you guys one more pattern here on the daily. So you can see here on the daily, we had Elliott wave theory play out. We had impulsive wave 1, corrective wave, impulsive wave 3, corrective wave 4, impulsive wave 5, and then we went through an A, B, C correction. And it looks like we've now had our impulsive wave 1, and we're now having our corrective wave 2. All right, guys. So we're starting to break out of that corrective wave. Now there's also another pattern I wanted to make you guys aware of, and it's a massive juicy bull flag here. And we started to break out. You can see here, we've had a clear breakout. So you'd measure your flagpole and it would bring hot up. Measure it from where you broke out. Would bring a hot up to... We'd bring hot right up to this price target, 0.015. So that's a juicy trade opportunity as well. We're beautifully bounced off the 20 EMA here on the daily. You can see here that hot got a little bit overextended, came right back to the 20 EMA. All right, guys. So we're going to drop in our fib from our all-time high down to our swing low. So we are just getting back above the 0.5, and then you have the golden ratio right around that 0.015 price target. If you break through that, you back test it as support. Gives you a much stronger chance to come back up to where you came from for hot at 0.031. And then the 1.272 extension at 0.052. And then we have the 1.618 here at about 0.07 for hot, which is a juicy gain from the current price of basically 500%. All right, guys. So do keep an eye on the RSI here on the daily. We are about to create a higher high, and we'll create a significantly lower high on the RSI. But depending on if we keep pumping, then we can see the RSI start to come up. But we are seeing bearish divergences on the daily across the market. However, they can take a long time to play out. So let's actually quickly drop in some levels of support here on the hourly time frame. Quickly open this up. Hope you're well, guys. Hope you're enjoying this little breakout that we've been having here. So we can drop in our neckline as a level of support, which is here at about 0.011. We're currently holding the support of the 0.382, which is at about 0.016. All right, guys. But if we do see a little bit more sell off here, you have the neckline of your double bottom for a little back test at 0.011. You can see we haven't come back to back test it yet. So that is a possibility here, guys. So that's it for hot, guys. Definitely recommend checking out the Discord. We have over 1,000 members posting chart patterns. We have rooms for all our popular coins, price of a coffee. You can sign up through the Patreon. Make sure to smash that like button, sign up to crypto.com and Bybit. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Much love.